Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum to my lecturer Sir Muhammad Fauzi bin Anwar in course Power Electronic and Drive Technology HFC 3052. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Syereen Atirah binti Mustaffa from Mechatronic Industrial 3A in semester 3. In this video, I would like to present about my project. The topic is 12 volt to 5 volt step down DC to DC converter. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce the software that I use. The software I used to design this DC to DC converter is Proteus software. Okay. This Proteus software is easy to use to design any project before assemble in the hardware. In this software, you can use to check the circuit that you was designed is successfully or not. Okay, first of all, I want to open the design that I use. Okay. Okay, this is my basic design for DC to DC converter. Okay. Okay, DC to DC converter is an electronic circuit or electromechanical device with convert source of direct current from one voltage level to another. This DC to DC converter can convert the voltage with step up or step down version. As you can see, the application in industrial for DC to DC converter as a motor control, voltage regulator or laptop computer. Okay, now we can know that all battery of 12 volt have become the standard of electrical batteries, but the problem come when you are delay with sensitive electrical component because they are all operate just 5 volt. So we need to immediate source or such type of DC power supply with to convert the source voltage 12 volt to appropriately voltage is 5 volt. So here you can see the circuit that I was designed is 5 volt power supply with will be able to change voltage level. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce the component that I use. Firstly is battery with 12 volt and 4 capacitor 1, 2, 3 and 4, resistor, LED and the IC. In capacitor 1, I use 1000 microfarad. In capacitor 2, I use 100 picofarad. Also capacitor 3, I use 100 picofarad, and the last one I use 1000 microfarad. For resistor, I use 100 ohm and green LED, and the last one is voltage regulator IC, or we also known as 7805 IC with 3 pin 1, 2 and 3. And you can see here at pin 2 I connect with the ground, and addition component I use DC voltmeter 1, DC voltmeter 2 and the oscilloscope. Okay, the function of capacitor is to temporarily store electrical energy in a electric field. Resistor I use to reduce current flow, and the regulator IC I use to regulate or change the voltage level of supply voltage. Okay, and then I want to run the simulation. Okay, you can see here at the input side is 12 volt and the output side 5 volt. And when you run the simulation, the green LED will light up. Okay, and then I want to show you the oscilloscope. Okay, you can see here the oscilloscope was running, and you can prove that the circuit that it was designed is successful. Okay, I want to introduce the oscilloscope first. Here have 4 channel A, B, C and D. So here I just use channel A as an input and channel B for the output. At the same time, channel C and channel D I off. Okay, channel A I use channel A and channel B I put at a DC waveform. Okay, as you can see here, DC waveform. This is an input, and the blue one is output. Okay, you can see the box here for the input. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then 12 box, and you divide by 1 here, and you can get 12 for the input voltage. And at this same also for output side, the blue one can count from below 1, 2 and 3 and divide by 1.58, and you can get 5 volt as a display for the voltmeter here. Okay, I think I was covered to explain this circuit for you, and I can start the simulation. Okay, I hope you understand what I explained here, and I explained about DC to DC converter, and I also hope this knowledge about DC to DC converter can useful for your daily life. And thank you for lending me your ears. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum.